Now, shifting focus in a series of alarming events, 50 schools in Delhi NCR received bomb threats via email earlier this morning, prompting immediate evacuations and the deployment of bomb disposal squads as well. The Delhi Fire Service said it received 97 bomb threat calls from different schools in the city. Now, among the affected institutions were the Delhi public school branches located in Noida, Dwarka, and Vasant Kunj, along with Sanskriti School, Mother Mary in Mayur Vihar, DAV in Vasant Kunj, and Shri Ram in Vasant Vihar. Now, all schools in Dwarka are remaining shut today. The police have conducted thorough searches. The important takeaway is that the Delhi police say nothing has been found and that all of this seems to be a hoax call. An FIR has been registered against unidentified individuals, and the Ministry of Home Affairs has responded to the matter, saying that there's no need to panic and the Delhi police and security agencies are taking necessary steps as per protocol. Beyond this, the Delhi LG, Vinay Saxena, has assured that the culprits will not be spared and will be given strict punishment. The Delhi police has urged parents to not panic and to instead remain calm. Now, according to sources, as per initial information that's been gathered, almost all schools had received the email between 4:30 to 5:30 a.m. The sender had reportedly used the official email ID of the schools, and the sender's email ID has a Russian IP address, which is still being traced.
मैं इस बात को दिल्ली की जनता को एश्योर करना चाहता हूं कि दिल्ली पुलिस पूरी तरीके से मुस्तैद है और हमारी कोशिश होगी कि हम किसी भी अप्रिय घटना को नहीं होने दें। दिल्ली पुलिस ने अभी पता कर लिया है कि ये मेल्स कहां से आ रहे हैं, जांच चल रही है। मैं इतना ही सिर्फ कहना चाहूँगा कि जो कल्प्रिट्स हैं बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे, उनको बहुत सख्त सजा मिलेगी।
हमने अपने तौर पे प्रिकॉशनरी लेवल पे भी और सारी स्कूल चेक कर लिए, किसी में कुछ नहीं है, तो कोई पैनिक होने की कहीं आवश्यकता नहीं है। प्रिकॉशनरी तौर पे भी सारी चेक कर लिए हैं और कॉल के तौर पे भी चेक कर लिए। हमारे एरिया में जो भी पुलिस जो भी स्कूल्स हैं वो भी और जो हमें इम्पोर्टेंट लगते हैं सारी हमने चेक कर लिए, किसी में कुछ इश्यू नहीं है।
The mail has been received by many schools and it was sent early this morning. And schools are regularly informing us, and we are responding to each and every school. We are sending our bomb disposal teams, checking teams, and the evacuation teams. So we are ensuring checking of each and every school, and we are in continuous touch with the school administration, and we are ensuring that each and every school is thoroughly checked, and there is no iota of doubt in everyone's mind. And we are also in touch with the parents who are coming to pick the students and everyone, that they should not panic. And prima facie, it's a mass mail, and our technical teams, the best of our teams, are investigating the matter.
Well, absolutely. See, 97 calls have been received by the fire team services here in the national capital, and every single call has been answered. See, in various locations, in various schools in the Delhi NCR region, be it the bomb disposal squad, the fire service team, along with the Delhi police team, had immediately reached at different locations. They carried out searches to make sure that no suspicious object is found. Now, we had seen that not only once, but twice and thrice searches have been carried out to make sure that every single corridor of the school premises are completely secured. Now, the action has been moved towards focusing on the investigation part. See, Delhi police right now is focusing on the investigation. We just saw that few minutes back, the crime branch team, which was here at Sanskriti School, which was here for almost an hour. After speaking with the school authority, they had left from the school, and the investigation right now is picking pace because the LG himself have spoken with the Commissioner of Police. The LG directed the police to take this matter very seriously, to make sure that the people who are responsible behind it are captured as soon as possible.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.